Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're looking at the Japan Racing JR9. So the JR9 is available in sizes from 15 inch all the way up to 19, and in widths from 7 inches all the way up to 10. As for PCDs, this comes in 4 and 5 stud options. They are double drilled, so you get 2 PCDs on one wheel, but we can custom make the PCD for you. So we can get these in 4x100 all the way up to 5x120. The bolt holes are covered on this wheel by this cover that goes on top. It is held on with an Allen key. So this wheel is available in a range of colours. So we've got gold with a polished lip here and chromey bolts. But it also comes in white centre polished lip, chrome with gold bolts and polished lips, and black with polished lip as well. So a few options there. This is a classic style. It's reminiscent of like the Style 5s that used to come on some old BMWs, and now at an affordable price point. So this will look great on E30s, MX-5s, like Golfs, like the smaller things that suit a big mesh centre and some dish. But yeah, it's one of the oldest designs that JR have done as well.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.